So, hi guys, good morning. So, I'm going to buy pasalubong sa aking mother kasi I'm going to have a vacation in the province at this period. So, yeah. So, ano kaya magandang pasalubong? So, yeah, I'm preparing to go to Gianas. So, yeah. Welcome to my blog. For those who don't know me, I am Miss Isolde. My real name is Eureka Sosa. I am a study blogger. I do blog living alone in the dormitorio ng mga madre. Guys, see you later!
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, one eternity later.
Guys, I'm with my friend in the dormitory. Yeah, she's a student and younger than me. So, here we go.
The next day.
So, hi guys, good morning. So, I'm preparing my luggage going to province. Right now, yeah, I do signing of my traveling vacation card to the Dean's Stress Office of this dormitory and preparing my pasalubong to the province. So, yeah, today I'm going to have a ride from bus. So, actually, I go travel from bus because hilo ako talaga kasi mataas siya. Hilong-hilo talaga ako kaya I always do a private van like door-to-door van going to province. But since I don't have contact at this moment yet, I do travel via bus. And yeah, I am so tired preparing today's luggage, but I am so happy. So every time I go to Marinduque, sometimes I don't want to go out. But since I don't have reviews to prepare, so dito lang talaga sa Manila ang meron naman. So dito ako nag-aral and dito rin ako magtatrabaho. So yeah, this vlog will be late upload. This vlog is about August 2019. So, probably it will be late upload in my YouTube channel. So, hindi ako masyado nag-upload, but I will show you how's my life as a student, a refugee, and living sa mga dormitory ng Madrid, guys. So, yeah. So, I tell you what's my life living in the dormitory na mahigpit sa dorm. Bawal ang boys, bawal ang maniligaw. So, these are all feelings here. And about the outfit, mahigpit din sila sa outfit. But, ito rin nakasanayan ko. I live here for almost 8 years of my life, guys. So, yeah. So, I will traveling. I will go on. And, yeah, see you later, guys. I will traveling fast right now.
2,000 years later.
So guys, nandito na ako sa bus and I am sure mamaya ng konti, hilong-hilo na ako dito. So yeah, see you later guys. So, ayan guys, nandito na ako sa Marinduque. So, yeah. So, this is how I travel going to province of Marinduque. Marinduque is a small island. This is the center of the Philippines, which they call heart of the Philippines. So, yeah. Kasi nasa gitna siya ng Pilipinas sa bandang taas na Left.